part of our system report. In this part, we will introduce to you how we analyze the problem, what approach we explore, how our system works, and finally our conclusion. We think that the essence of answering to search. So in this part, we would like to use information retrieval methods to do our search engine. And to answer, firstly, we need to have a query from our question, and we need to well-structured knowledge base to do the search. And thirdly, we need to have evaluated the retrieved documents to analyze the quality of the answers. And finally, we need to extract the corresponding answering part from the answering candidates. The tools we use here are mainly Solr and OpenEphra. Solr is a search engine, and OpenEphra is an open source answering system which is developed by CMU students. Also, we use the Stanford NLP, OpenNLP, and WordNet as our source. To run the system, we take the article of the department as the example, and we use the example question, where does the movie takes place, and the demonstration. The text was given in a planned form, so we don't need to pre-processing them, and only we need to do is to split the sentences and index them and to the sentence level. After the indexing, we analyze the question, find out what kind of question it is, find out the keywords, the key name entity from it. Based on our analysis, we need to form the new query, and we keep the keywords and name entities in the query, and finally we send the query into our knowledge base. So here, where does the movie takes place have the three normalization forms, and the keywords here are film and text places. The answering type is specifically a name entity, and which is a location, and the target of this question is a movie, so movie is very important. Based on this kind of analysis, we form our new query, which is the movie takes place, and we also use the synonyms to enlarge the query, and we put the target into the queries to strengthen the search quality. Finally, we use an answer type to enlarge our queries. And after that, we analyze our answer candidates and using our own filters and scoring method to find out the best answer. Finally, we extracted the desired answer phrases from our answer candidates. And here there are totally 14 sentences were extracted. And the first one was the film takes place in Boston, which is the answer. And using our own filters, we generated the name entities, we generated the pattern from the answers, so to enlarge the candidates list. And using our own scoring candidates, we score all of the answer candidates. Finally, we remove the useless candidates and like stop words and duplicate filter. Finally, we have the answer Boston. So comparing with the original answer that the film takes place in Boston, we not only find the answer, but we specifically extracted the specific answer type we want to answer, which is better than the original sentences. And one more thing we would like to cover was that yes or no question. So merely giving the final result sentence is not enough for us. We need to find a yes or no, and we use name entities and noun phrases to in the searched answers, and the score is a wide sum of PMI information, the name entity and the name phrase score. So we also use negation detection to find the specific no questions in the sentence. And based on this, we set a threshold of 0.6. So the drawbacks in our system is that we can't spend more than one sentences and understanding the context, and we can't do inference and generalization. We wish to thank our teaching staff in this project, and we also to thank those who contributed to the OpenEphra, which is very useful and helpful. Thanks a lot.